Hello friends, I am Dr. Sonia Juneja from Kite Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad. Today we are doing laser experiment. The aim of laser experiment is to determine the wavelength of laser light using diffraction grating. And the apparatus for this experiment is laser source. We are using helium neon laser source, then diffraction grating, optical bench and millimeter graph. Formula is used in this experiment is the wavelength of laser light can be calculated by this formula where wavelength lambda is equal to sin theta divided by small n into capital N, where lambda is the wavelength of laser light, small n is the order of diffraction which is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, n is equal to 1 corresponding to the order of 1, n is equal to 2 corresponds to order of 2 diffraction central maxima, n is equal to 3 corresponding to third order principal maxima and so on. Capital N are the number of rulings on the grating. Grating is an arrangement of equidistant parallel slits. When the spacing between the grating is the order of the wavelength of light, then the grating gives the diffraction formula, diffraction pattern. With the help of this diffraction pattern, we can calculate the wavelength of light which is used in this experiment. Grating is basically it is the arrangement of large number of equidistant parallel slits. When the spacing between these slits is the order of the wavelength of light, then the light diffracts. With the help of this diffraction pattern, we can calculate the wavelength of light with the help of this formula lambda is equal to sin theta divided by small n into capital N, where theta is the angle of diffraction, small n is the order of diffraction, capital N is the number of rulings or number of lines in the grating per meter or per inch in the grating. For this purpose, we have to calculate theta, where theta is equal to 180 by pi y by x, where y is the distance between grating and the screen and the x is the distance between screen and the grating. So, we have to calculate lambda. For this, we have to first calculate theta, which is equal to 180 by pi y by x. Pi is 3.14, y is the distance between grating, y is the distance between grating and screen, screen and x is the distance between screen and grating, and y is the distance between two central maxima and the principal maxima. Y is the distance between central maxima and the principal maxima. To calculate first order diffraction and putting n is equal to 1 here, and calculate the distance y, which is the distance between central maxima and the first order principal maxima. Here I am explaining the procedure to calculate the wavelength of laser light. This is the apparatus, this is the optical bench, this is the laser source which is helium neon laser, this is the grating table or prism table, this is the screen. When we switch on the light or laser light, then the light falls on this grating. Then diffraction takes place and we get the diffraction pattern on the screen which is shown in our video. This is the central maximum. The intensity of central maximum is maximum, and both sides of central maximum first order principal maximas are lying. The intensity of principal maximas are less than the intensity of central maxima. Both side of central maxima, then we again have second order secondary maxima. The intensity of second order secondary maxima is more less than the intensity of principal maxima, first order principal maxima. To calculate the wavelength of helium neon laser, we have to measure the value of y and x. For the first order principal maxima, we have to substitute small n is equal to 1 in the formula. Small n is equal to 1. To calculate the value of y, we must measure the distance between central maxima and the first order principal maxima. So, to calculate the value of y for n is equal to 1, we measure here the distance between these 2 points. This is y1, and the distance between these 2 points, which is y2. take the mean of y1 and y2 which gives y for n is equal to 1. Then we have to calculate x. X is the distance between grating and the screen. For this purpose we have to calculate the value, we have to measure the length from initial to grating and from initial to screen. Then subtract these two values and we get the distance between grating and the screen. This is the value of x. Again, x is the distance between grating and screen, and the y is the mean of y1 and y2, where y1 is the distance between central maxima and first order principal maxima on either side, and second side the distance between is given y2. Take the mean of y1 and y2 which gives the value of y. Substituting the value of y and x in the formula, then we have theta which is equal to 180 by pi y by x. When we have theta, then substituting the value of theta in the formula, lambda is equal to sin theta divided by small n into capital N. Then small n is equal to 1 here. Capital N are the number of rulings or number of lines in the grating. In our grating here 15,000 lines per inch. Then we have to convert it into per centimeter or per meter. If we convert into per centimeter, we have to divide by 2.54, otherwise calculate in the meter. Then substituting the value of theta and n is equal to 15,000 per inch and small n is equal to 1, then we have the value of lambda which is approximately equal to 6348 in the experiment, and the standard value is 6328 angstrom. Then calculate the percentage error with respect to 6328, because this is the experiment. Then we have to take more than one values. Then we have to calculate theta more values. Then changing x, then we have to calculate theta again and again, taking 3 or 4 observations and calculate lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and lambda 4. Take the mean of all lambdas and you get the result. Suppose you have a result, you have a value 6283 angstrom and the standard value is 6328 angstrom. Calculate the percentage error with respect to 6328 angstrom. And this is the final result. Calculate the percentage error 6328 angstrom. You have to calculate percentage error and give the precautions also which are using in this experiment. Thank you so much.